Let's explore some common English Hiligaynon expressions using let along with example sentences. The first one is tuguti ako. Tuguti ako. That means allow me or let me. So this is a polite form. This is the most polite way to say let me. So the first one is example, tuguti ako makahulam sang imo ballpen. So it means let me borrow your pen or allow me to borrow your pen. Tuguti ako nga maglakat. It means allow me to leave. Tuguti ako nga maglakat. Tuguti ako nga buligan ka. Allow me to help you. Tuguti ako nga buligan ka. Another one is let's in English, and then you can say dali, dali na, or mablank kita in Hiligaynon. Dali, dali na, mablank kita. So dali is a very common and informal way to say let's. You can say dali, makaon kita. So come on, let's eat. Dali, makaon kita. Dali, malakat na kita. So that means come on, let's leave now or let's go now. Dali, malakat na kita. Dali, matanaw kita sang sine. It means, come on, let's watch a movie. Dali, malantaw kita or matanaw kita sang sine. Dali, malakat na kita. Dali, malakat na kita. That means, come on, let's go now. Dali, malakat na kita. We also have ma plus kita. Ma blank kita. So this uses the prefix ma to form a verb and then adds kita. You can also put a noun here. You can say ma-Jollibee kita. That means we will go to Jollibee. Let's have Jollibee. Okay, let's have the following examples. But before that, kita means we, like all of us, both of us, all of us. Mahampang kita. That means let's play. Mahampang kita. Makanta kita. Let's sing. Makanta kita. Maistorya kita. Let's talk. Maistorya kita. You can also use mapa blank kita. So you can say, mapa Jollibee kita. Like we will go to Jollibee. Mapa Iloilo kita. We will go to Iloilo. Mapa Japan kita. Mapa America kita. Like we will go to America. Mapa Iloilo kita. Like we will go to Iloilo. Mapa Passi kita. We will go to Passi. And then just the place. It can be place or like any like place. Yes, you can use that. Another one is let him or let her or let them. So pabayi siya, that means let him or let her. Pabayi sila, that means let them. Pabayi ako is let me. Pabayi ako. You can also say tuguti siya, tuguti ako, tuguti kami, or tuguti si blank. So pabayi siya or pabayi sila. Pabayi plus the noun, plus the pronoun here, and then the verb. So example, pabayi siya maghambal. So that means let him or her speak. Pabayi siya maghambal. Pabayi ako maghambal. Allow me to speak. Pabayi sila maghambal. Allow them to speak. Pabayi siya maghimo sini. So let him or her do this. Let him or her do this. Pabayi siya maghimo sini. You can also say, pabayi ako maghimo sini. Let me do this. Pabayi sila maghimo sini. Let them do that or this. We also have tuguti plus the pronoun plus the verb. Tuguti ako, tuguti siya, tuguti sila. Tuguti siya mag-upod sa aton. That means let him or her join us or allow him or her to join us. Tuguti siya mag-upod sa aton. Tuguti siya maglakat or tuguti ako maglakat. Allow me to leave. Tuguti ako maglakat. Last one is pabayi na lang or pabayi lang or pabayi na lang. Let it be. Just let it be. Pabayi na lang. Pabayi plus the pronoun plus the verb. So let me try. Pabayi ako magtilaw. Pabayi ako magtilaw. This kind, let it be kind, sounds like giving up already. So just do whatever you want. Let it be. Yeah, it connotes like giving up. Like you've had enough. Maybe convincing them not to do it or something. So, pabayi ako magtilaw. It sounds rude in a way. Pabayi ako magtilaw. Like if you say that, like you say pabayi ako magtilaw, just let me do what I want. You can say pabayi siya magtilaw. So it means that maybe you tried convincing that person not to try it, but he or she still wants to and you gave up already. So you say pabayi siya magtilaw. Pabayi ako magbulig sa imo. That means let me help you, but it kind of sounds like you are really motivated. Like whether you like it or not, I will help you. Pabayi ako magbulig sa imo. Pabayi ako makita ka. Like let me see you, allow me to see you in a way. Pabayi ako makita ka. Another one is pabayi na lang. Pabayi na lang, like let it be. Yeah, let it be. Pabayi na lang, base sa sunod na lang. That means let it be, maybe next time. Pabayi na lang, base sa sunod na lang.